Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. Right, we're going on this Klein theme. I've picked up a 4-in-1 electronic screwdriver, which I thought was a bit smaller than the other one that I had, which was the 27-in-1. But I just needed something slightly smaller. So it's got the 00 and the 0 Phillips or whatever it is, and then it's got the 2 flatheads. But I just wanted something a bit smaller and tucked away, put in my pocket. You know how it is. So I thought I'd pick one up. Seen some reviews. It's a shame, but I didn't realise that it didn't have a clip on it, so you could just clip it in your pocket or whatever. But never mind. Bit too late to send it back. I've had it for a bit but never got around to using it, so we'll get this open, have a look at it, and then compare it with the 27-in-1 and see if we can get the bits in this if I do need to use it. So I'll cut it open and come back. So we're back. So here is overall feel. Pretty good. Rubber. You know what, you would get quite a lot of torque on that, saying that there's stuff that you'll be undoing. Anyway, so here's the back of the cover. Like I says, there's a model number, part number, whatever you want to call it. 4-in-1 cap twists, yeah, and then made in Taiwan again. But you should be able to pull this out for the flathead, already installed. But and then you got the number, yep, that's the 00 and that's the 0. So I don't know why, to be honest. If I was Klein, why wouldn't you put these two together and then the 2 flats together? Let me know what you think. Do you think you agree with me? You should have the 0 and the 00 together and then the 2 flats together. I suppose that's just me. I don't know, but that would be pretty good if they did do that. But that's just me. Slot that back in there. Here's the other one that I bought, 27-in-1. The size comparison, fairly large. You'd easily hide that or put it in a EDC if you need to. But I don't think that, will that go in there? Or is that too long? Yeah, I thought as much. No, I don't want to put it into. No, that one won't come out. It fits, but Klein have made it so it won't come back out. So that's where it is. Yeah, you'd lose that bit in there. So no, you can't interchange the bits. They're too small to go fit in there. But you know what? It's not too bad. Let's see if that's stainless steel as well. Nope. Wonder if that's just hitting the other. Well, it doesn't say anything about it being stainless steel, but that's not stainless steel. Unless it's interfering with the magnet that's in there. Yeah. But yeah, that's the 4-in-1. Yeah, just getting the feel for it. I know I'm going a bit quiet, but I'm just trying to get the feel for it if I need to use it. Pretty solid clicks, I must admit. Ballpoint, yeah. Ball indent, yeah. So it clicks nicely into place. That wasn't meant to happen. Pretty sturdy. I don't think that's going to come out anytime soon on its own. And that, I'm not too sure. But I like the way they've written 4-in-1. Klein Tools on there. Again, rubber handle. No defects in the plastic. I know some people, one video I saw there was a defect. But anyway, that's that. Liking it. I'm liking it. So on that note, we'll call that one, and I'll see you on the next one. So if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, helps the channel grow, and I'll see you on the next one.